Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. It has been another quiet day for the crypto sector, especially Bitcoin not doing much here at the moment. We're still ranging and interesting developments, however, really on the smallest time frame. We're going to talk about that in a minute. Let's first talk briefly about the preferred scenario here. What happened? Well, see, the price has rallied obviously quite substantially after the, let's say, for Bitcoin, it was kind of a small flash crash here on the 3rd of February. Then we saw a rally, yep. And then since then, nothing really too noteworthy. The price is still going down. We see ongoing selling pressure here in the market, but we've seen so far in this entire range, since we've been in this range, several successful reactions to this support area that you see on the chart actually. So this support area is defined between 93,640 and 93,640 and $95,470. So the market is still respecting these parameters, and support is still holding, and because of that the bullish scenario, the bullish case, stays alive. We don't currently, there is currently no issue with the yellow scenario, but it's also currently a range in which there is a lot of, let's say, uncertainty. There is, let's say, there is, it is an environment in which micro counting is not so productive. Obviously, we still do it, but I've been warning for the last couple of weeks that, when you do micro counting in here, probabilities aren't very clear. So we would not be surprised if microstructures fail. Suddenly the market would turn into the other direction. That's not a surprise in a range, because we've been in this range now for quite some time, for a couple of weeks, and it's a range essentially, okay? And it's just all corrective price action. And we had numerous attempted breakouts, but in both directions, and they always failed. So we stay in the range. Most recently, two short trade setups, or let's say two 1-2 setups to the downside, were invalidated. Quick reminder: those were our alternative perspectives. The white count is the alternative, and the bullish count, I think also we had 1-2 setup fail here. So it's all about having patience. We just be patient, drink coffee, and let's wait for the breakout, essentially. Unfortunately, there is not too much I can add to the analysis as long as we stay above yesterday's low and below the recent swing high, which is from Tuesday and is located where that green dashed line is positioned at $96,780. There is a potential micro 5-wave move up from yesterday's low. Now that is good. A 5-wave move up is potentially bullish. The problem is it is just way too small. It is too small to be relevant. Not only too small to be reliable, but also too small to be relevant for the analysis, because it is a 5-wave move, yes, so we are watching, but it's just not large enough to be in any way significant. Now, after this 5-wave, after the initial 5-wave move up that developed, we had a higher low, that's good, and another potential 5-wave move up. So it is entirely possible that this is a 1-2-1-2 setup. However, then the price must hold here the swing low at 95,100. Any break below it might mean that we've actually topped in a 3-wave move in the white wave 2, and the price might come down. Either way, the bulls need to now take the price above this green dashed line. And because the initial 5-wave move up is too small to be relevant, I already mentioned in my first video earlier today that it takes a 5-wave move up all the way up to at least $99,350, the 161.8 extension, to have a clearer confirmation that actually wave 2 there, so circle wave 2, has bottomed. So what we want to see, if the first 5-wave move up is too small, for confirmation we need the next larger degree. Okay, so we need the 5 wave, and then when this is done, we can call this wave 1, and we add support for the wave 2, which is the corrective pullback. Yeah, markets can't only go up, they need to go up and down. It's breathing in, breathing out. So it will be after 5 waves up, yeah, breathing in, the market needs to breathe out again in this pullback. It's a bit like two steps forward, yeah, 1 step back. That's essentially what, or 5 steps forward and 3 back. Now, that's typically how it works. Okay, and this is what we're watching for. So at the moment, there isn't really, even though I'd like it to be different, there isn't really much I can add to the analysis. So I don't think we'll need to make the video any longer because there really isn't any information I can share here in addition. But if you like to have some additional information on chain data, then check out our latest video on the MCO Global channel. I uploaded it only, very early in the morning actually. It is more a long-term outlook for Bitcoin. We talked about the certain indicators there as well. There's one good buy indicator as well in there that has historically called, you could say, predicted significant swing lows anyway. So there's lots of value on this channel. We talked about gold, silver, and so on. Probably today I will upload a Tesla video, and then on the weekend a Palladium Platinum video is outstanding. That's planned. So lots of stuff. Another mindset video or risk management. So there's a lot that is planned for this channel. Check it out. The link is in the description. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.